I write for my lover. For soft forehead kisses on the backs of a life that promises no destination. For the hand squeeze when I least expect it. I write to remind him of the beauty in his eyes. To remind him that we cry today, that we fail, to try again tomorrow. And to assure him that it's okay, that I'm the one last person he has to fight. I write for my little sister. I hide my secrets for her in between my poetry lines. I told her I'm not as perfect as my mom would like her to be. But I write to tell her that I think her smile is beautiful. That she is the embodiment of all that is beautiful, all that is holy, and all that is pure. And that her body is hers to enjoy, and anybody who gets to shame that should consider privilege. All the things I wish I would have heard at 16. I write for the 16 and older. I write to tell her that I think it's okay. That I know it's not easy to be a young woman with a body mad with hormones. That I forgive her for not speaking up and not really thinking about the 18-year-old me. And I write for the 18-year-old me to tell her that it's okay. That her bad decisions are okay, that it's okay to love herself, that it's okay to give all of herself to herself. And that I applaud her for not staying. That I applaud her for making all the decisions that I would thank when I was 13, when I was 20. And I write for the 20-year-old me. I write to tell her that, baby, it's okay. That it's okay to feel sad. That it's okay to give all this love that you keep giving to all these men, you give it to yourself. And that the beauty is in the process.